photographing.
Huh?
Photographing the elevator. Oh, there it opened. Okay, let's go up to 3. Interior door closes. Nice motor. You could hear a fire truck. Very tiny. Doors open. 3 out of 3. That's a view. Outside. Button. Let's go back in. Go back down to 1. Again, this is really tiny. And the ceiling is quite small too. Not quite sure what type of elevator this is. Here we go, the door's open. It has classic leveling, that being noticed.